Ditch the scheduling chaos and reclaim your time by learning how to create killer events in Calendly. First, log into your Calendly account on your dashboard. Click the blue Create button, then select event type. You can choose from one-ion, group, or collective availability events. Depending on your needs, we'll create a one-ion event for this example. Give your event a descriptive name, like client consultation, and choose a location. This could be a Zoom meeting, a physical address, or a phone call. Add a brief description of the event so invitees know what to expect. You can also customize the event link to make it professional and memorable. Pick a color for your event to easily identify it on your Calendly dashboard. Now, define your availability. Select the days and times you're available for this type of meeting. You can set different availability for different days. Next, configure your date range for the event. Whether it is indefinite or within a specific date range, buffer times before or after your meetings to give yourself a breather. You can set custom durations for your meeting, like 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or even longer. Personalize your event landing page by adding a welcome message and custom questions. This is where you gather important information from your invitees before the meeting. Head over to integrations and connect your favorite calendar apps like Google Calendar, Outlook, or iCloud to avoid double booking. Calendly will automatically check your connected calendars for conflicts. Finally, explore advanced settings. You can make your event secret so only those with the direct link can book. Set maximum invitee rules for group events, and even integrate payment options to collect fees directly through Calendly. Save your event and you are good to go. Share your Calendly link and watch the bookings roll in. Say goodbye to endless email exchanges and hello to effortless scheduling. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Calendly tips.